Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today, we have a very special video for you all about the art of animals. From majestic lions to playful dolphins, animals have long been a source of inspiration for artists around the world. In this video, we will explore the different ways that artists have captured the beauty and essence of animals through their art. History of animal art. Animal art has a rich history that dates back thousands of years. In ancient cave paintings, animals were often depicted as a way to communicate stories and beliefs. As time went on, artists began to explore more realistic and detailed representations of animals in their work. From the intricate animal illustrations in medieval manuscripts to the lifelike portraits of animals in the Renaissance, animals have always held a special place in the world of art. Different styles of animal art. There are countless styles and techniques that artists use to portray animals in their work. Some artists prefer to create hyperrealistic paintings that capture every detail of an animal's fur or feathers, while others opt for more abstract interpretations that focus on the essence and spirit of the animal. From traditional oil paintings to modern digital art, there are endless possibilities when it comes to depicting animals in art. Symbolism of animals in art. Animals have long been used as symbols in art to represent various qualities and characteristics. For example, the lion is often seen as a symbol of strength and courage, while the butterfly is a symbol of transformation and change. Artists often use animals to convey deeper meanings and messages in their work, adding layers of complexity and depth to their creations. Famous animal artists. Throughout history, there have been many famous artists who have specialized in animal art. From George Stubbs, known for his detailed paintings of horses, to John James Audubon, famous for his stunning bird illustrations, these artists have made significant contributions to the world of animal art. Their work continues to inspire and influence artists today. In conclusion, the art of animals is a diverse and fascinating genre that has captured the hearts and imaginations of artists and art lovers alike. Whether you prefer realistic portraits or abstract interpretations, there is something for everyone to appreciate in the world of animal art. We hope you enjoyed learning more about this captivating subject and feel inspired to explore it further in your own creative endeavors. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more art-related content.